Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by connecting to the Ptcl router from a laptop or desktop. Use Ethernet for stability. Once connected, open a browser and enter the router IP, commonly 192.168.1.1, and log in with the admin credentials. Make sure to export or save a backup of the configuration before you change anything. This protects you if a setting breaks. Now that you have access and a backup, you're ready to locate the wireless settings where the QR code feature is managed. You'll navigate to wireless or advanced features. Different Ptcl firmware labels these areas slightly differently. Once inside, look specifically for QR code generation, guest network, or sharing options. They are often grouped with WPS or mobile app pairing. Disable the QR generation toggle or uncheck any option labeled Share/Print QR or Allow Quick Connect. Make sure to also disable guest SSIDs if they create separate QR codes. After changes, apply or save settings so the router writes the new configuration to flash. Once you've disabled the QR option, save and apply the settings. Many models require a reboot to enforce the change, so go ahead and restart the router. After the reboot, verify by attempting to use the phone camera or a QR scanner. Confirm it no longer exposes your SSID or password. If the QR persists, restore the backup you made, check for a firmware update, and try again. If needed, reset to factory defaults and reapply only the necessary settings to remove QR functionality.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.